Alright guys, we're jumping right into this video. As you see from the title, this is a morning routine, but this morning is particularly special because it's Raina's first day of preschool. So the girls generally wake up between 6:30 and 7 o'clock a.m. and Ava will usually come in our room, or I can hear them from the monitor and I'll go grab them and we'll start the day. This morning they woke up at 6:30 and my body wasn't quite ready to get up and start moving around, so I just brought them in our room and we kind of just hung out together until I was ready to get up and start moving. Once my body was ready to start moving around, I headed to the kitchen to start preparing breakfast for them. So what I'm doing now is taking some pancakes out of the freezer. What I'll usually do is try to prep pancakes either on a Sunday or earlier in the week. I'll cook like a bunch of pancakes, I leave them out to cool down, and then I will freeze them to make the weekdays go by so much easier. You guys, this is a lifesaver. So I'm just warming that up, and because I spend extra time in the bed, I am just putting it in the microwave. Usually I'll put it in the oven, but you know, if you have kiddos, then you know every day is unpredictable and you do what works. Ava is in her super picky eating stage right now, so she said she did not want pancakes. She wanted cereal, so I'm just pouring her some cereal, and honestly, I'm fine with that. Trying to get her to eat anything in the morning is nearly impossible these days, so I will take what I can get. Now I'm just cutting up Raina's pancake, and I love using some sweetened condensed milk on the pancakes instead of syrup. It's so good, guys. I actually picked this up from my trip to Thailand a few years ago, and the kiddos just love it. Now, if it's a morning that I woke up before the girls, I'll generally get dressed before I wake them up. If not, a morning like today, I'll usually go ahead and put some clothes on and get myself together while they're eating their breakfast. Now that I've got the girls fed, I can go ahead and get Versace in order. Okay, let's go put on our clothes. Ava, what you doing?
Looking at me bed.
So usually I'll just like pull her covers over and stuff.
Wait a minute.
What? You left her in my room? Oh my goodness. So usually I'll just like put her bed together, and then she puts all her soft toys on the bed, and then at nighttime they go there. So Raina, let's get you dressed while she's going to get her other toy. Wait, girl. Let me see you. Let me see you.
Wait a mommy, what's in you, Raina?
So, let me see you. Did you get dressed all by yourself?
Yeah.
Good job. Let me see you spin around for me. Let's go brush your teeth. Let's go brush your teeth. take this her YouTube video.
Wait, I need to brush my teeth. I get my shoes first. Before I brush my teeth, this is where I brush my teeth. With some high, till my low.
Just a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, let me see. Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot. As you can see, Ava is definitely becoming Miss Independent, so I like to at least let her to try things on her own for the most part, and then I'll just, check back over it. If I need to correct anything, I do. If not, I don't. But I always like to give her a lot of praise for trying things on her own. Here we go like this. Open. Open. Ah. After we've gone ahead and brushed our teeth, washed faces, it's time to get these heads in order. Having two girls is no joke, so I do usually like to braid their hair up like how you see Raina's here, but earlier this week, I didn't have time to finish Ava's, so if I don't end up braiding their hair, this is definitely a part of our everyday routine. Ava, do you want to pick out your shoes today? I love your hair. You gonna pick out your shoes today? What shoes you wearing? Oh, what shoes you wanna wear? Okay. Alright, take them out to your chair.
I know how to put it on.
Okay. Coffee is an absolute necessity for my morning routine. I would be not much of a fun person to be around without it, and I absolutely love my coffee machine. Ricky bought this for me as a gift when we first moved into the house, and oh my god, it may be like one of my favorite items that we have. We usually end up walking Versace just before it's time to go. If we have enough time, I'll let the girls have a little bit of free play outside before loading up the car. Ava and Raina's school is about a 15-minute drive from my house, give or take, with traffic, so it's not too bad. Honestly, after I became a mom, I really enjoyed just driving in silence. But ever since Raina has come along, we do enjoy our music in the car because for whatever reason, she does not like riding in the car too much, so the music definitely helps. Raina walked in like a champ and had a great first day at school. as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate your support. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.